So here I've got a green light there. The green light is great for showing up dust on the LCDs right before laminating. I've got the humidifier there. Just to the left of me, which is just slightly out of view, is the ionizer gun. That's on the air compressor. It goes for the ionizer. It's blown on the inside of the screens before laminating to remove static. It also blows off little stray bits of dust. So I've got two original Polariser 6S screens here, and I've got some 3-in-1 glasses, some old stock that I've had for a while that I'm trying to work through, and I'm just going to laminate these. So this is a YMJ Portable Laminator, and it's perfect for 6Ss and older. The moulds for the newer devices aren't quite as good. So first thing is to give this LCD a wipe down. Now the little streaks that are left on here, they won't be visible after laminating the 3-in-1. What you need to make sure has gone is the sort of small bits of glue, which this is pretty clean already, so that's looking good. That's looking good. And now with the glass, acetone and a wipe, I'm going to wipe all the way around the edges and in the middle as well. I'm now going to give it blow with the ionizer. Then I'm going to hold this screen up to the humidifier, just like that, so the inside of the screen is taking the moisture. That will just sort of keep the dust on the screen if there is any little bits of dust left. Give this just another little wipe down to make sure it's perfect. It's looking good. Then in one swift movement, there we go. Now I'm just going to put up this protective sheet here. Check for any bits of dust, there are none. Into the YMJ. Settings here. While that one's going in, I'm going to clean up the next LCD ready for the base mold to come out. So when you use the original Polariser, you've got bits of glue in the corners here, which you should shave off. But with the original Polarisers, I don't want to damage the Polariser in the top corner, and it's a bit awkward getting the blade in from this side and removing it, so I leave them on. In some cases, when you laminate the 3-in-1, it makes the glass raise up slightly in one of these corners. But these I've already checked, they're quite flat there, it's not like the glue's clumped up, so they should be okay. So good. There's some bubbles there which will come out in the autoclave. Showing the glass up to the humidifier, same as before. At the same time giving this just a final little wipe. Very good. Looking nice. See the tiny bubbles that are left in the screen. They will come out in the autoclave in about 3 minutes. With the 6S in the autoclave, you always risk the getting some lines like that in the backlight, which require a backlight replacement. The shorter amount of time in there, the better. So I do these in sort of 2 to 3 minute cycles, which avoids it most times. I'm not going to do the video of the autoclave afterwards because it will be 3 minutes of standing around not doing anything. Go. We're done.